Today we will read chapter number 7, The Invention of Vita Wonk by Roald Dahl, prescribed in your textbook Honeycomb. Its introduction. The story is a culmination of imagination and humor to entertain and excite the reader. It is a general tendency among his children to grow into an adult. This is to take them into an unimaginary and dreamy world. This is a science fiction to fantasize the reader. So this is a science fiction about the author Roald Dahl. Birth 13 September 1916, death 23rd November 1990. Movies: Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, and some short stories, The Landlady, Lamb to the Slaughter. So this is a science fiction and deals completely with an invention. Here the scientist is experimenting and wants to invent a medicine which makes people older. Difference between discovery and invention. Discovery means to reveal something which already exists. It may be a fact, theory, or a thing. While invention is making a new thing which never existed. With certain examples we can understand. Law of gravitation. So law of gravitation, it already existed on the earth, but it was discovered later. So this is a discovery. Now see, earth revolves around the sun. Earth has been revolving since the first day of the beginning of the life or of the existence of the earth, but it was discovered later on. So this is a discovery. Now see, telephone. Telephone was an invention because it didn't exist already on the earth. So this is invention because it was something new invented. Steam engine. This is also an invention because steam engine never existed before the invention of it. So discovery is revealing something which already exists, and invention is making a new thing which never existed. And the fiction that we are reading today, it is completely based on an invention. Now word meanings: old, advanced in age, disappear, vanish, invisible, giant, man of great size, knuckle, bone at the finger joint. Elevator, a kind of lift. Swallow, drink. Squeeze, press hard. Grimalkin, a cat, particularly an old female cat. Mr. Willy Wonka, who is a scientist, he invented a medicine named as Vita Wonka. What was the use of medicine? The medicine makes people younger. So this was the invention done by the scientist. Now what he is doing now? Mr. Wonka mentions different kinds of trees in the lesson. They are Douglas fir, oak, cedar, leaves of cedar, Bristol cone pine tree, and pine tree. He tells that Bristol cone pine tree is the oldest tree on the earth, and it is there on the earth since last 4,000 years, and it is generally found on the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So in order to carry on his experiment, he wanted to discover a medicine which can make people older. So he had collected many different items from the oldest living things, and they are a toenail from a 168-year-old Russian farmer, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise, a tail of a 51-year-old horse, the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin, the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old cataloo. So he had collected all these things in order to carry on his experiment, as he wanted to discover a medicine which could make people older than their age. So what he did, after collection of all these things, he prepared a black liquid by boiling and mixing of different parts of different living things. He gave 4 drops of that black liquid to a 20-year-old man named Oompa Loompa. The volunteer who swallowed 4 drops of the new invention became old, began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started drooping off, and his teeth falling out, and he turned into a fellow of 75. The name of invention was Vita Wong. See how he did experiments, how he collected all the things required, and how much he wandered from here and there in order to collect all the things. So many efforts he had put, though it is imaginary, but still it gives us idea that how much hard work scientists do and how much devotion they have, and they just keep on doing the experiments continuously. Lot many times they face failures. It is very less that they get success. So this, it tells us about the inventions, how inventions are being done. Finally, the scientist got success in his new invention of Vita Wonka. Now the time to check. Choose the right answer. Mr. Willy Wonka is a cook, an inventor, or a manager. So Willy Wonka is an inventor. Wonka Vitae makes people older or younger. Younger. Mr. Wonka wants to invent a new thing which will make people younger or older. Can anyone's age be a minus number? What does minus 87 mean? No, age cannot be in a minus because we all start growing up from the moment we are born. Minus 87 means the man is 87 years back to his actual age. Mr. Wonka begins by asking himself 2 questions. What are they? They are, what is the oldest thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? What trees does Mr. Wonka mention? Which tree does he say lives the longest? How does this tree live? Where can you find it? Mr. Wonka mentions fir, oak, cedar, bristlecone pine tree lives the longest. Bristlecone pine lives over 400 years and one can find them upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in USA. How many of the oldest living things can you remember from Mr. Wonka's list? Do you think all these things really exist or are some of them purely imaginary? Mr. Wonka has mentioned some very oldest things. He said he had collected a pint of sap from a 4,000 years old bristlecone pine tree, toenail clippings from a 160-year-old Russian farmer, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise, the tail of a 51-year-old horse, whiskers of a 36-year-old cat, a flea that lived on crumpets for 36 years, tail of a 207-year-old red, black teeth of a 97-year-old Milkin, and knuckle bones of a 700-year-old Cataloo. Very few of these things would have really existed. A majority of them are purely imaginary. What does Mr. Wonka collect? Why does Mr. Wonka collect items from the oldest things? Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? Mr. Wonka wanted to create an item that will make people older, so he collected items from the oldest things. This is, in fact, a foolish way to begin an invention. What happens to the volunteer who swallows 4 drops of the new invention? What is the name of the invention? The Oompa Loompa volunteer was 20 years old before swallowing the drop. He became 75 years old after it. The invention name is Vita Wong.